Hello everybody, this is James Deere from John Deere's Embroidery Legacy, and today we're going to be showing you how to set up your small hooping station from Echidna Sewing. So as you can see, we have all our contents from the box laid across the table. It comes with the instructions, twist locks, pins, panels, the leg, magnets, and all you're going to need for setup is a screwdriver. To begin setup, we're simply going to take our pins and start screwing them into our panels. Now we're also going to want to make sure they're in there nice and tight, so grab your screwdriver and make sure they're in all the way. Now we're going to grab our 4 twist locks and insert them into the leg. Now a quick reminder, always make sure the arrow on the twist lock is pointing towards the hole on the top or bottom of the leg, depending on where you're inserting them. Now that we have all of our twist locks inserted, we're simply going to grab the leg and insert it over the pins on the panel. So make sure the holes line up, and then we can simply proceed by tightening the twist locks. Now that our leg is securely locked to our panel, we're simply going to grab the other panel, line up the pins to the holes on the leg, and repeat the process of tightening the twist locks. And there we go, your small hooping station is now set up. You can put your magnets on and begin hooping. Hope this video helped, and enjoy your brand new Echidna Hooping Station.